Good morning, student. Now let's see question number 5 of sound chapter. We are at the exercise of sound chapter, and there are two numerical questions in this chapter. First one is question number 5, that is a pendulum oscillates 40 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period and frequency. And sixth question asks, the sound from mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wings at an average rate of 500 vibration per second. What is the time period of the vibration? To solve these two questions, I'll give you two identities, that is two formula. So let us begin with question number 5. Let's have the solution for question number 5 first. So here is the solution for the question number 5. See, informations given here are time taken is equal to 4 seconds, and it's also saying that number of oscillation is 40, that is it oscillates 40 times. So we are having formula for time period is time taken upon number of oscillation. Got it? So formula for time period is time taken upon number of oscillation. Time taken was 4, as we know already here. See, and then number of oscillation was 40. So time period is equal to 4 upon 40. After cancellation we will get 1 upon 10, and it will give us 0.1 second. So time period is, this is first answer, and this one is time period. Got it? Time period is 0.1 second. Now let us move for frequency. Second question is to find the frequency. So let's start with the frequency. Don't erase, you just don't erase the informations given. Informations given are number of oscillation in 1 second and time taken. So we are having formula for frequency. See, frequency is equal to number of oscillation. Let me write here. Frequency is denoted by F. Frequency is equal to number of oscillation upon time taken. Got it? The symbol for frequency is F, small f. Got it? So number of oscillation was 40 and time taken was 4. So finally, if we will cancel, we will get 10. So frequency is equal to 10. 10 watt. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. Is it? So frequency is how much hertz? Frequency is 10 hertz. Got you? So here our answer is, final answer is, you can write here Z also. So frequency is equal to, our answer is 10 hertz. So we have solved both for question number 5. In the question number 5 we needed to find time period, that was 0.1 second because it was time period, unit will be second. And second question was to find frequency, and that is equal to 10 hertz. Got it? Now we will start with question number 6. So question number 6 has asked that mosquito vibrates 500 times to produce a sound. What is the time period? So number of vibration is actually number of oscillation. You can also write. So information given for question number 6 are, first of all we should write that number of vibration. Is it? This is given, and that is equal to 500. This number of vibration is actually number of oscillation. Got it. Now we will have to find time period. Did you remember formula for time period? Formula for time period is equal to, what was the formula for time taken upon number of oscillation? So it is saying it oscillates 500 times in 1 second. So time was given. First of all we should write time taken. question is saying, see, time taken 500 vibration is taken in 1 second. Average rate 500 per second means 1 second. So here time taken will be 1 second. Oscillation is 500 and time taken is 1 second. Got it? So time taken is 1 second. Now write the formula time period. Time taken is different thing and time period is for that wavelength. As I had given you diagram of wavelength, it was just like that. So there is a time period fixed for each wavelength. Time period was time taken upon number of vibration, because vibration is actually oscillations. Got it? So put the values. Time taken was 1 second, number of vibration was 500. So we have put the values, then we got, if you cancel, otherwise you just try to solve this. How you will solve? See, I am giving you the solution. If we will divide by 500 to 1, it won't be divided. We will put a decimal, we will give 1 0, but it again won't be divided. We again put a 0 to put another 0 here. This 500 can't divide 100 again, so there will be second 0 and there will be third 0 in the dividend. This is divisor, this is dividend, so there will be third 0 in the dividend. Now it can be divided by 500 2s are 1000. So time period what we got? 0.002 second. Got it? So this was a rough work. Time period is 0.002 second. Otherwise, if you are not able to solve this sum, you can leave this like this also. In the examination, if you are not having proper time, you can leave this. You can write this only, but it will be better to solve and find the answer in this form. So we have solved both the numerical questions in this chapter. Chapter 13 was containing numerical question. In 9th class, you will find many numerical questions from sound chapter. So, and other exercise we have already completed. I needed to explain you these two numerical questions. That's why I have done. And you just see, if you are having any problem, you ask me.